food? All right, let's get some Mexican lunch with Robert and Carrie. So this place is pretty good, huh?
We like it.
All right.
I mean,
We'll
it's,
give it a shot and see how it is. See how it compares to back home.
it is what it is.
But it was very good. So we're back at the shop now after fajitas and chips and salsa. And we've got the car in the trailer. It was a tight fit, but it fit. We got it in there. So let me show you the rest of the stuff we're gonna get in there. So we got all this stuff. We had to take the bumper off. It's wrapped in this blanket in order to fit in the trailer. We got all the tires we found, wheels, exhaust. There's another bumper over there. All the things. So now we're just working on, we're gonna pack stuff all underneath the car because it's pretty high off the ground. So I'm gonna work on buckling and strapping it all down. See, we got mounts in the floor to strap them down. And then, yeah, we're gonna start loading stuff. Sliding those wheels on their side, loading them all the way up underneath the car. Get all this stuff in here. So we're coming to you live back from the trailer here. Maybe not live. We're just coming to you from the car loading extravaganza. We've got the trunk in, stuff loaded all underneath. We found some more chrome pieces and got the cab all loaded up, tires, and a box of stuff. So we're making some headway. The shop now has a clear spot in here where the car used to be. We've kind of been through poking around all around where the car was to see if we could find anything else. We figured we'd leave the walk behind plow over here. We didn't need to take that. That's kind of where we're at. How are you at, Jacob? Cold? Got the coat on. It's not too bad. It's a little chillier today. And we're just feeling a little worn out now. We had our meal, lunch, got back here and got a bunch more stuff loaded in. We've just been loading more stuff in, trying to get it all picked up, loaded up, headed out, rawhide. There's still a ton of boxes and stuff to get into. There's a boat. If any needs a boat, we peeled the cover back a little bit. Here, we can show you the boat. Let's have a gander at the boat. It's a Gulfstream. If you need a vintage Gulfstream, I know where you can get one. Real reasonable, probably. It's got a 90 horsepower Merc on it. It's a classic. It's vintage. What else is in here that's interesting? Workbench with lots of oil, grease, you name it. We got 2 Tri-Sports. Tri-Sport. Dun dun dun. They're pretty cool old 3-wheelers we used to ride on. And there's 2 of these Tri-Sports. There's another one that's got a second seat up on the back there. Big sissy bar. It's so buried under all this cardboard. Oh, yeah. And just tons and tons of stuff buried. We got rotor tillers, any kind of yard thing. It's in here. Here's a Singer sewing machine. All the goodies. There's a cherry picker. You need a cherry picker. I'll give you a look at the trailer here. How we got it loaded down. It's worked out pretty good. We got our close clearance in here. Close clearance. And what I did is we got it strapped down, and then I blocked in the sides. I lagged in a couple of 2x6s, one on each side to kind of keep it from being able to shift left and right, and then it's strapped down. We also cross-tied it we took the back bumper off and hooked in and cross-tied it too. And then the front, this trailer was just big enough for it. Here's the side door. Car in there. And again, I got it strapped down. And the front bumper and everything is just right. Follows that contour. And I had that foam pad. I just laid it in there. But you have another spots where it's strapped straight down. The wheels are strapped straight down. And yeah, again, I cross I blocked the tires in too again so that it can't move left or right, and just stuff padding all in around it. And all underneath we got extra set of wheels, a couple old grills, and parts, exhaust. We found an exhaust pipe. Oh, and the bumper we have wrapped in a blanket, stuffed under there. All kinds of goodies. And look at that chrome. Gotta love that chrome on the 32 there. Looking sharp, man. It's one sharp short. Okay, that's it. We'd take the case home too, but it wouldn't fit. Exciting news, very exciting. We have been digging and digging and digging all around in here, and I could not find the headlights. Could not find the headlights to save my life. We found lenses and we found the reflectors that go inside of them, but we could not find the dang cowling part like this. And so, we're talking on the phone, going through boxes, and then all of a sudden, open a box and look what was staring at me right there. This looks like Madonna in a box. All right, exciting, exciting, exciting. It'll be fun to get that all together and get them cleaned up. All right, we are done for today. I think this was our day 2.5.
Yeah.
2.5. Yeah. And we've been going through finding stuff. We finally found the headlights like I showed, so we were excited about that. We're still trying to find the windshield posts, bracket pieces that we know we haven't seen. So that's a big one, but we have found, gosh, so much. And so we've got more to go through, but it's late and we are ready to call it a night. So we will catch you guys tomorrow. Chili, did you have a good night? You slept so good down here? Yes. Robert and Carrie gave us a nice little spot to sleep while we're here. It's very nice of them. How were your accommodations?
They're good.
They're good. All right. Are we ready for our final day, our big push?
Yeah.
We are now ready to get the final stuff in and get the trailer hooked on and start heading for home, I think. We got a few more boxes to try to go through and mostly just get the truck loaded. Trailer's pretty much all loaded, so we're getting close. We're getting close. I think it's time to get Chili out. Oh, we just want to thank you for everything for having us here. We appreciate it.
No problem at all.
All right. We're back at the shop on our final day. We've been mostly shooting time lapse today just because we're trying to hurry and get done here, but we got the 2 Tri-Sport 3-wheelers. These are old, like 70s 3-wheelers. I used to ride these in Utah a lot, all around in the back roads of Zion. They were great. That one's even a 2-seater. Imagine sitting up on that high right now and your feet go on the pegs there and you sit way up there while this guy's driving. You're at their mercy. You just hope they don't flip that thing. Maureen can tell you all about it, and Darlene, everyone. Okay, we got a couple little boxes to open up here, and then I think we're about ready to load up and head out. We got through a lot of stuff in here, but there's still an incredible amount of it's just like an old big feather bed thing, and there's old car inner tubes, and you name it. It's just lots and lots of just stuff that needs to be recycled, thrown out, sold off. This guy was too funny not to share. A little, I don't know, looks like a little weasel or a mink. It's 2 of them sewn together like you could wear it around your neck. And it's got their little faces with the little glass eyes. They're pretty cute. Jacob said he's really looking forward to wearing this to school. That's kind of a lot like what you find in here. Oh, there's a clamp. Nice big C-clamp. A couple of them. And then a whole bunch of pegboard hooks in case you need to get your pegboard filled. Lots of Ford boxes. He was a Ford guy for sure. And twine on everything. I bet that witness clip was old. Let's see if we can find a date on that one. 88. 88 is a long time ago, but it doesn't feel that old to me. Oh, brand new vice grips in the packaging. Because everybody needs vice grips. There's 2 more in here. So you've got 2 pairs, matching sets. Okay. Let's see, I'm walking aimlessly. Trying to figure out what to do next. So what? These are the glass side window. This poor box is cool, but it's seen better days. What? Yes, I did see that, but it's labeled for a Massey Ferguson. I know, I saw that and I got excited too, thinking it was a muffler for the car, but it said it's for a Massey. So it's a tractor part. We're ready to close her up. I'm gonna close this back door up, Jacob. Well, between the toolbox and the back seat we are. All right, safe travels, number 32.